Hello beautiful ladies, I hope you have a great day so far. Friends, last month we went to India and we enjoyed a lot and we did so much shopping. My channel about beauty, so I want to share some things with you which I bring from India. So if sound interesting for you, then stay with me. So let's start the video. First of all, friends, I bought some lipstick. These are from Fashion Color Glossip Non-Transfer Lipstick, and this is the shade N888. No, this is the shade, friends. It's 826 Wild Rose. Beautiful shade, but not open it yet. Next, friends, I bought this one. This one is also in Fashion Color, you can see, and this is also a long lasting, and this is the shade 821 Apricot. Very beautiful shade. So that's that. Next, friends, I bought this one. This is also from Fashion Color, and this is in the shade 312 Terra Copper, and this is the shade, look like this kind of shade, you can see. So these are the lipstick. Next, friends, I bought two perfume and smell amazing of these perfume, and it is very long lasting. I use it and I bought the new bottles. So this one from Osha, and it is a Walker Sky. This one is for men, and this one for women, and this is Oud Ethiopia from Osha, and a very good perfume. So I try it and I enjoy it, so I buy the new one. Next, friends, I bought this Johnson baby cream for my son. Sometimes I use it as a hand cream, so I like this one. It is moisturizer, and it gives moisturize. It moisturizes your skin for 24 hours. So I bought this one. Next, friends, I bought this Streaks Shine Hair Serum, and this face serum free with it. So Streaks is a good brand for hair, so I buy this one also. Next, friends, I like the Streaks highlighter color, so but I don't found the shade which I want, so I bought the dark blonde in Matrix 6N color for my hair, and this is the developer volume 20 from Streaks. So there, that's that. And friends, you know the facial kit from India are very good and work for everything. So I bought this facial kit from Osha Herbals, and it is a diamond anti-aging therapy facial kit for all skin type. So let's see if it work for me. And next, friends, I bought this facial kit. This is for brightening and anti-pigment and anti-blemish. It is also a herbal, and this is the 5-in-1 facial kit for all skin type. So I bought the bigger one in this. And next friends, I bought some jewelry I like, so this is for neck, and these are the jhumkas. This type of jewelry in a trend, so that's why I buy this. So that's it friends. And one more thing friends, I bought some bangles. So these are the bangles. And these. So that's it friends. These are all the things which I bought from India, and I want to share these one with you. Thanks for watching friends. I hope you enjoy the video.